Hello everyone. In this exercise of SolidWorks, we will understand some basics, surface basics in SolidWorks. For example, extrude surface, trim surface, boundary surface, and project curve, and knit surface and thicken surface. Let's start here. File, new, part, and this. Okay. This is the SolidWorks user interface. As a normal, I select plain white background and the unit system. From background you can take bottom millimeter gram second. Okay, now I am taking the first right plane or this one. I am taking the arc. I am making three point arc. This one select. I am starting from the origin point, this one and this, and click on the arc, this one, right click, select, give the dimension, and this dimension I am taking 110 mm. Okay, and this dimension I am taking 160 mm. Okay, this dimension, and this dimension is height heading, this one, this I am taking 8 mm only. Okay, this height I am taking 8 mm only. Okay, we will understand certain basics of the surface. Okay, and go in the surface. I made this is fully defined sketch, extrude surface. I am taking blind. You can take blind or you can take mid plane. Mid plane, suppose I am taking this 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, this is the total extrude surface. In surfaces command, these are the tab section. This is the surface tab. Okay, if you don't have, right click and you tab section, you will find a number of options, a number of things here. So you can select from here tabs and this surface. Check it and this will be you will find here. Okay, surface I am extruding. The first rule with the axis surface is that sketch should not be there is no need of the sketch to be closed. Okay, open sketch with you can start from this extrude surface. This is the extrude surface. Okay, now I am taking top plane. This is the extrude plane I have drawn. This one, top plane sketch, I am selecting normal and I am drawing a center slot here. This one, this. Okay, I am dimensioning from I am drawing the top plane on top plane. This one and this one is I am taking 25 mm. Okay, and this dimension I am taking, you can take 90 mm. Okay, and this radius I am taking 20 mm only. This one, and sketch is fully defined. Isometric, this one, I have drawn a sketch on the top plane. Okay, now extrude surface. Go in the surfaces, extrude surface, you go in this way. Okay, this is another surface. In the future tree manager, you will find here there are the two surface body. One is this one and second is another this one. Okay, now I will use trim surface. I want to remove this portion, bottom portion. How I can do? There is a command that is mostly used in the surface, is trim surface. This one. They are the two options in standard. Today we will only discuss standard option. Trim tool. In trim tool you can select the surface, plane or sketch. Okay, three things you can select. Trim tool. Select this one. I am selecting this surface. Okay, and remove selection. I am select this one. You can remove it. This removed. Okay, again trim surface. For example, clear, I am selecting this body, this surface, this one. Okay, and I want to remove this one, remove selection, this one, or you can remove from here also, this one, this way, then remove this one, removed here. Okay, this is the use of the trim surface. Now I want to close this thing, upper portion, this one. How I can do it? In this way, future isometric. Okay, I want to close it. In the surfaces, there is a command plane surface, planar surface. You can select it, this one, this, planar surface, this one. This window will come, bounding boundaries, this one, this one, this one, this one. This is closed, but I will not use this. I am using boundary surface. There are many advantages of this using boundary surface, this one. Before applying the boundary surface, first I want to close this upper boundary with the, I am using 3D sketch, taking the line and this point, this point. Okay, this is, I am closing this section. Okay, I've drawn a 3D sketch. Now surfaces, you go in the extrude surface, no, boundary surface, select this edge, this edge, and this edge. This is closed. Okay, now again go sketch this one and 3D sketch, and take the sand line and this point, and this point. Okay, out of the sketch. Now again boundary surfaces, this one, this, and this one. Close this. This is closed. Now I will close this. How? Same boundary surface, this one, this, and this. This edge selected and this edge selected. Clear selection. You have to select properly. This one and this one. This closed. Now this is closed, you see. So this is the use of the boundary surface. Okay. Now this surface is sharp at the points here. So I want to make a certain radius here. So how I can do it? I am taking top plane sketch and normal, this one, and I am convert entity, sketch, convert entity, this one, and select this line, and this line. This is converted. Okay, this is, I have made a sketch on top plane, but I want to project on this surface. How? Future, go in the future, first out of the sketch, this one, and project curve, this one. Sketch is automatically selected. Now select the surface, this one, and this one. The sketch is this one. Now before applying this one, I added this thing. I added this one, and this. I will provide the fillet here. Suppose 20 mm. First I remove this thing, project curve, and now I did this sketch, this one, and first fillet, select this point, this one, 20 mm radius, this one, this is this one. Now I will cancel it, project curve, future, go in the future, here is the project curve. First out of the sketch, curve, project curve, this one, sketch on faces. So sketch you select, this one, sketch selected, select the face, this one, this is correct. So sketch is projected on this one. This is the project curve. Now hide this sketch, hide from here, this one. Hide. This is hide. Now this is the project curve. You will see here, this one, project curve. Okay, this is project. How now I want to trim side portion. So again, go in the surfaces, trim surface, trim tool. You can select three things: surfaces, plane, or sketches. With the help of three things, you can trim the things. Okay, trim tool. I am trying this trim tool, sketch selected, and this sketch selected. No, project curve. Sorry, clear. This project curve I have selected. The project curve I have made on this surface, selected, and remove selection. This one, and this one, and this one. This will be removed. Selection, remove selection. Standard curve. I have selected this one. This is I have selected here. So this way I have removed. Now I want to apply, before applying the thickness, actually you will see in the future tree manager, there are the 5 bodies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 bodies. Before applying the thickness to all, first we have to make it knit surface. How can it knit? Knit surfaces. This will join all the surfaces. You will see in the future terminal also. You can select from here also. Either you select from here, or you can select from here. This one. You can select all and knit surface. Don't gap control. This is the default. You don't change it. Okay, and this is the, now you will see in the future tree manager there is only one body, surface knit. You select it. Suppose you select it, whole body will be selected. Now this is a single body here. Okay, now you can apply the thickness, but before applying, okay, you can apply the fillet also here. Future fillet, this one and this one. You applied fillet, suppose 8 mm fillet. We applied 8 mm. Okay, and apply here also thickness. Future fillet, and this one whole selected. You apply 8 mm and this one. Now you apply the thickness. You surfaces go in the surface, and there is a command here. You will find it, thicken command. This one, thicken, and delete, and select the whole body. I will apply the thickness of the whole body, because now this is a complete one body here. You will see here, feature tree manager. Okay, I am applying this one. Whole body will be selected. There are the 3 options. One is this one. This is outer surface. Outer surface will be thickened. This is the thickness. Both sides equally will be selected. This is the downward. You will see, this will be thickness. Inside thickness, it will system provide. This is the outer one. Outer will be thickness. Suppose I provide 1.5 mm. 1.5 mm, and this way. This is the thickness. This is provide things. Okay, you can hide it. Provide project curves. Hide it. Project for the clear visible. You can hide the sketches. So in this way, we can use. I have used approximately 50% commands of the surfaces. You can use. This is very useful in making the products. Okay. Now I can apply the surface finish. From here you can apply here this one, appearance. Okay, you can apply this appearance from here also. This one, suppose you apply metal. This one, chrome finish you want to apply, chrome finish or brush chrome. This one you can apply it. This one, or satin finish you can apply it. This one, satin finish you can apply it here. But please note one point here, that when we apply from here, this will not affect the weight of the material, weight of the part. Weight only affected when you applied the material from here. Right click, edit material. When you applied the material. Appearance does not affect the weight of the material. Please note this point. We can, when we apply the material from here, I have made edit material, then weight will be affected as per that material application. Okay, this I have made a video for how to calculate the weight, area, etc. on my channel. You please see and you will. I hope you would have enjoyed my this exercise. Please like, share, and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.